You don't need a camera crew to feel like the main character. Let me show you how to turn everyday moments into something special. Hey guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. Let's dive into how to romanticize your life and make even the simplest moments into something magical. Have you ever thought about what it would be like if your life was a documentary or even a reality show? Like, imagine there are cameras recording you all the time quietly, not in a staged way, but just capturing your life exactly as it is. It's such a fun mindset to have, and honestly, it makes everything feel a little bit more special. Picture this: you are doing something really special, like folding your laundry or making tea. Now, instead of it just being another boring task, you imagine it as this quiet, cinematic moment in your life. Maybe there's soft music playing in your head, the lighting feels cozy, and suddenly you are the main character. And that's the first big point I want to talk about. Feel like the main character. When you see yourself as the star of your story, it shifts your whole perspective. You start moving through life with more confidence, like everything you do matters because it does. Another thing that makes life feel more magical is trying new things. Main characters are always evolving, right? So go out and do something different. Try a new coffee shop, take a different route home, or pick up a hobby you have always been curious about. These little changes keep your story exciting and remind you there's always something new to explore. Here's where it gets fun. Record yourself. Start documenting your life. It doesn't have to be perfect, like some super aesthetic vlog. Just grab your phone and film a quick clip of your morning routine or even the view from your window. When you start recording your life, it makes you notice things that you may have overlooked. It's like you're telling yourself, hey, this moment matters. But if recording feels awkward, and I totally understand it because I was like this before, then just pretend you're being recorded. This is honestly one of my favorite tricks. When I'm like too lazy to record myself or just don't have the time to set the camera, I usually just pretend to be recorded. Imagine the cameras are rolling while you're doing the most ordinary stuff, like sweeping the floor or making lunch. It sounds silly, but it makes you much more present in the moment. You start to see how beautiful those little everyday moments are. Another huge part of romanticizing your life is gratitude. I know it's kind of cliche, but seriously, being thankful changes everything. Even if you're having the worst day ever, try to find something, no matter how small, to appreciate. Maybe it's the way your favorite blanket feels, or how good your coffee smells, or even just the fact that you got through the day. Gratitude has a way of making even the hardest day feel a little bit softer. And listen, dress like your best self. Wear clothes that make you feel confident, even if you're just running errands or staying home. It's such a small thing, but when you feel good about how you look, it can completely change your mind, literally. You deserve to feel like you're showing up for yourself. Lastly, celebrate your small wins. You don't have to wait for a huge milestone to feel proud of yourself. Did you finish a book? That's a win. Clean your space? Win. Got out of bed when you didn't feel like it? Big win. Celebrate those moments because they are still part of your journey and they are just as important as the big achievements. Romanticizing your life isn't about pretending everything is perfect. It's about seeing your life for what it is and finding the beauty in it. Whether you're recording yourself or just imagining those invisible cameras, it's about slowing down, appreciating the little things, and realizing that your life is already worth romanticizing. So, yeah, go out there and start seeing your life as the story it is. Be the main character, try new things, find joy in the everyday. You deserve it.